All right, folks, we're on part three of the Brainy Murf intro. So this best describes us as a family company. So imagine a overhyped boxing match. You got the challenger, who from time to time people bet on the challenger to win. Everybody knows it's a very good chance the champ is going to win. The champ in our story is the financial markets. We are the challengers. We are the underdogs. We're comfortable with that. We know what our role is. We know what our place is. We know it's a very slim chance we're going to beat the markets. Well, if you listen to the other video, part 2, long term, you cannot beat the markets. We know this. We don't really care about beating the markets. Think about the challenger in a boxing match. Think about the champ. The champ knows there's a very good chance he's going to win. The champ knows that the challenger pretty much has to knock him out for the challenger to become the new champ. That really doesn't happen too often. It never happens long-term in the markets. The markets have trillions and trillions of dollars. We know we're not going to be able to beat the markets and take trillions and trillions of dollars from the market. We know that. That's not our strategy. However, if you pay attention to the fight, the challenger always gets a nice paycheck from fighting the champ. The challenger gets a nice paycheck from fighting the champ. So we will gladly take hundreds of thousands, hundreds of millions, hundreds of billions from the markets. But in order for us to beat the markets long term, we would have to take probably $100 trillion from the markets to be able to beat the markets on a long-term basis. We know we can't beat the markets long term. But as a challenger for fighting the markets, we still get paid nicely. That's our goal. Our goal is to fight the champion, which is the markets, get paid nicely, and from time to time, we might even get a little respect from the markets. We don't count on that. Our goal is to get paid. So, since we're the challenger in this story, I ask you a question before I let you go. There's an overhyped match. The champion is always slated to win. We are the challenger, right? However, our investment strategy as the challenger is to go in, fight the champ, go toe-to-toe with the champ, go round for round, go blow for blow. We try not to get knocked down. We try not to get tired. We try not to get knocked out. And we're in it for the long haul. So, if the champ is so great and so much better than us, why can't the champ knock the challenger out? That is your question for today. We are the challenger. We go toe-to-toe with the champ. We don't get knocked down. We don't get knocked out. We don't get tired. And we're in it for the long haul. Basically, we're going to get paid. Like, subscribe, share the video. Later.